Hey everyone, in this video we will look at the row level security in Power BI service. So I'll just give you a quick scenario. Let's say you've created a dashboard, and it contains data for different countries, so the sales data for different countries, but you don't want the person in the United States or the sales rep in the US to be able to see the data in Europe, or you don't want somebody from Germany to be able to see the data in United States, or for example somebody in Australia, you just want them to view Australian data and you want to implement that. So you can still have one report, but you can implement row level security, and we'll learn how to do that in this particular video. So let's start. So I've got this file open here with me, and essentially you need to implement this in the desktop and then you push it into the Power BI service, and then we'll add people onto those specific roles so they can only view this data. So let's say you've got this report which shows you data by different countries, so Germany, France, Canada, United States, Australia, and you want you want to have a row level security so people from the specific country can only see data for that country. So how do you do that? So essentially you go to the modeling tab first, so that's the first thing you need to do, and then you click on manage roles, and over here it lets you build formula. So you can say create role, and it gives you the ability to filter using DAX expressions. So let's say we will call the first one United States sales rep, and we will go to dim geography because that's and then we'll add a filter on English region and English country region name, and we'll put the value here and we'll call it United States, and we will create another one which we'll just call it Germany sales rep, and we will again add a filter. And so I'll just go here and I'll just call this Germany, and I'll add one more Australia, and we'll add a filter here for so let's see, we've got Germany. Now we don't want a filter on United States, we'll see the filter, and Australia, again we'll just add the filter for Australia. So now we've created the roles, and we will just save these roles. So we will eventually go and add the sales rep to those specific roles, so then they can only see data for that specific region. And now we will see view as. So if you want to test it on your Power BI desktop, you can use the view as option. So we click on the view as, and let's say we will view as Australian sales rep. So what happens? And you can see that all of a sudden the data has been filtered out for Australia. So I'll just go and click on stop viewing, and similarly if we go and click on view as, and we'll go and watch this as United States and hit OK, and you can see it just showing us data for United States. So that's what a particular user who's assigned to that role will see. So we'll just click on stop viewing, so we get access to all the data for now in our report. We'll save this, and then we'll go to the home tab and we'll publish it into the Power BI service. I will save it to a Learn to Excel workspace and hit select. So the report has been loaded to the Power BI service now. So we'll go to the Power BI service, and I'll just refresh. So I'm doing a hard refresh here just to make sure that I can see the new report that's been uploaded. And then I'll go to my workspace, Learn to Excel, because that's where we put the report on. And now I'll go to the data sets and data flows. So when you want to implement row level security here, you have to go to the data sets and data flows. So I'll show you something quickly with quick insights. So if I've got another report, my reports, which doesn't have row level security implemented, you're also able to get quick insights But with the row level security, it does sort of come with its own constraints. So for example, if I click this one here, you can see that quick insights option has been disabled. So now what we will do is we will go to security, and now here we can add people to specific roles. So let's say I want to see how somebody on the Australia role will be able to see. So I can see test as role as well. So if I click on test as role, it will show, it is showing us now viewing as Australia sales rep. So let's go back and we can watch it as a Germany sales rep as well. So we can hit this, and now viewing as Germany sales rep. And now I can, let's just go back, and I can add email IDs here, and essentially when those people log in and try to open this report, they will only be able to see the specific region. So I can give this access to someone and click add. So, and now you can see we've got one person assigned to the Australia sales rep, and we can similarly do it for, let's just save this, and we can do it for Germany. So we'll add this one on here and hit save. So in this video, we've essentially covered is row level security and how to implement that, and how then going forward into the Power BI service, how do we share that report with different users on those different roles or row level security. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Do let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.